Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving west on Washington Boulevard towards Cooreville Gardens in Kingston 20, St Andrew Parish. Notably, the streets of Cooreville Gardens are named after famous Jamaican artists. The community of Cooreville Gardens, located off Washington Boulevard, was named for David Coore, Jamaica's Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Finance in the 1970s. Derrick Heaven, who was working with the Minister of Housing, Anthony Spaulding, at the time, said the streets were named for artists in recognition of their contribution in music and the theatre. The upcoming road to the right is Duhaney Drive, which will take you into Duhaney Park community. Turning off Washington Boulevard onto Bob Marley Boulevard in Cooreville Gardens, and we are at Molynes Close intersection. If we had continued straight on Washington Boulevard, then the road would take us to 6 miles onto Mandela Highway into Spanish Town, located in St Catherine Parish. We are now at Chosen Few Avenue intersection. On the left is Maytals Crescent. On the right is Paragon Close. On the left is Drummond Link, and to the right is Faith D. Aguila Path, and also Cooreville Gardens Basic School. Here to the right is Ranny Close. On the left is Mystic Mews. To the right is Boothe Close, and Bob Marley Boulevard continues left. On the right is Gaylads Circle, and to the left is Gaylads Avenue. On the left is Sonny Bradshaw Avenue. On the right is Fort Bob Marley Way. On the left is Wailers Avenue. On the right is 3rd Bob Marley Way. On the left is Wailers Circle. On the right is 2nd Bob Marley Way. On the left is Bob Marley Circle, and to the right is 1st Bob Marley Way. On the left is Wailers Avenue. Bob Marley Boulevard ends and we are turning back to Washington Boulevard. Again, on the right is Wailers Avenue. On the left is 1st Bob Marley Way, and to the right is Bob Marley Circle. On the left is 2nd Bob Marley Way. On the right is Wailers Circle. On the left is 3rd Bob Marley Way. On the right is Wailers Avenue. On the left is 4th Bob Marley Way. On the right is Sonny Bradshaw Avenue. On the right is Gaylads Avenue, and to the left is Gaylads Circle. Straight ahead is Boothe Close, and Bob Marley Boulevard continues right. On the right is Mystic Mews. On the left is Ranny Close and Cooreville Gardens Basic School. Also here to the left is Faith the Aquila Path, and to the right is Drummond Link. On the left is Paragon Close. On the right is Maytals Crescent. We are now at Chosen Few Avenue intersection. We are at Boothe Close intersection. We are back at Washington Boulevard, Bob Marley Boulevard, and Duhaney Drive intersection. Duhaney Drive is straight ahead, which will take you into Duhaney Park community. Washington Boulevard is to the left and right. Going left on Washington Boulevard will take you west towards 6 miles onto Mandela Highway and into Spanish Town, located in St Catherine Parish. As well as Washington Boulevard will take you onto Spanish Town Road and towards Downtown Kingston. Going right will take you towards Molynes Road, Eastwood Park, Constant Spring, Halfway Tree, New Kingston, and other places. Turning right onto Washington Boulevard towards Molynes Road, Eastwood Park, Constant Spring, Halfway Tree, New Kingston, and other places. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.